Hi, my name is Susian and I'm the head baker at the Cafe King, and today we'll be talking about the next step in the sourdough baking process, which is scoring your dough. So we update regularly about kefir and sourdough content, so if you want to see more of those, please subscribe. Okay, let's start with the scoring process. Now your dough should be resting in the fridge, and right about 20 minutes before you take it out of the fridge to bake, be sure you remember to preheat your oven first, and you should preheat it to about 230 degrees Celsius or as high as your home oven can go to. Also, there are 4 things you need before you take your dough out of the fridge, and these 4 things are: number 1, a baking tray, and number 2, parchment paper, and 3, a bread lump if you have one. If you don't, you can use a razor blade. And number 4, a spray bottle full of water. Now when you have your tools ready, take your bread out of the fridge and be sure that you do this process as fast as possible, because the longer your bread is out at room temperature, the more it will spread. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take your parchment paper, put it over the bowl, and flip the bowl over into the baking tray. Then remove the bowl, remove the tea towel or the cloth, and you're ready to score. Now take your bread lump, and you can do whatever scoring pattern you like, but this is the pattern that we use for our breads, and we have determined that it's actually quite easy for beginners. To score the bread, you need to be confident, and if you're not there yet, you can start with slow but shallow strokes, but work towards getting more swift, confident and deep strokes. Now you don't want to cut too deep. The right depth of your cut should be around 1 cm to about 1 inch deep. Now the reason why we have to score the bread is to allow the air that has accumulated in the bread a right channel to escape. Otherwise, when you put it in the oven, it will try to break out of the bread through other areas, which will not make the bread look very presentable. Immediately after you score your bread, take your spray bottle and just spray the surface of your bread quite generously, and then you're ready to put it into the oven to bake. Thank you for watching. Now if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe for future videos. So if you're Malaysian and you'd like to give our bread a try, you can find us in the link in the description below. We actually deliver our bread to around the Klang Valley, and we also post to the states in West Malaysia. So yeah, give it a try, and we'll see you in the next video.